Good morning, guys. I am getting ready, or about to start getting ready. Yes, this is my just wake up face. I'm about to start getting ready to go to a little YouTubers brunch at the Copper restaurant. I think I brought you guys to the Copper in another vlog when I went there with Gustazos last time. So I'm gonna be going there today to meet up with a bunch of YouTubers. They're all women, and kind of just network, have a good time, enjoy that. I'm at my dad's house right now. I've hardly been vlogging the last couple of days. I just haven't been feeling it, and then I haven't put out a vlog in since last week Sunday, because I do have vlogs that I could edit, but I just wasn't feeling the content of the vlog, so I just didn't put it out. But I hope that's okay. I know sometimes I'm in and out, but I'm just trying to put out content that I genuinely enjoy and hope that you guys will like as well. So I'm gonna start getting ready, gonna shower, do my skincare. My hair, it looks terrible. It needs to pull out. It's like on the last it's like on the last bit of but anyways, guys, I'm gonna get ready. Hey y'all, so just finished getting ready. I'm waiting on my cab. I ended up having to wear this outfit. These shorts, these were thrifted shorts a couple years ago, and this top I got in Canada at one of those stores. I don't remember where, but I wore this top on Thursday and I had to recycle it and do this outfit because none of the things that I brought to wear today, I'm not feeling them at all. It's just not giving. I don't know. I have another outfit idea that I could try, but I don't know if I would want to wear it to the kind of event that I'm going to. You know what I mean? I feel like that outfit is more because it's so colorful. It's I don't know. But this is such a me outfit, very neutral. But I think I'm just gonna wear this. The only thing, I just wish I had a blazer. If I had my black blazer, it would have been perfect. Anyways, my cab is calling me, so I'll talk to y'all in a second.
Come on, say hi, guys.
Hi.
Tell them your handle.
I'm Shanna K Living. That's Shanna with one N. Check me out, guys.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your handle?
I'm Just Mellow and As2by on Instagram.
The music is so loud.
Right?
Is this even useful?
Yeah.
Footage. Hello. The music is so loud.
Hi guys, it's okay. I don't think we'll be talking. Wait, sorry.
I'm not taking out any of that, This is a vlog, honey.
Okay, hi vlog. You guys subscribe to my channel.
Period.
Or follow me on Instagram at Anisha.Adams. Yeah. YouTube is the same thing. I'm here with Ashley. I'm here with everyone here on the girl.
Oh, the girlies.
Yeah, we're gonna be talking about YouTube and all those fun things. So you guys stay tuned for some more. And you guys comment down below. Let us all spam Ashley in the comment section. Be like, post more.
Oh my gosh! Please do not. You guys send them on me.
More.
I should.
Okay.
Thank you, ladies, ever so much for accepting my crazy invite for this brunch, and I hope it just brings us all together in networking, in the spirit of womanhood, friendship, business, new ventures, opportunities, and everything. So I'm gonna start around the team. We're starting with Shane. I'm gonna go around. We're just gonna introduce ourselves, tell us our YouTube channel, what is the channel all about, and tell us something about yourself. Yeah, so let me start. Yes, I said my name is Jody. YouTube Jody, the Island Girl, and I focus mainly on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. And I just hope to bring faster good vibes, good energy, the positive, good vibes, and I just hope that we can get that reciprocated throughout this process.
Hi everyone, my name is Anisha Adams. My YouTube and Instagram is Anisha Adams. I just do Jamaican-based lifestyle content, so all things Jamaican. That's it.
Lining with Latoya. I'm shy for most persons who don't know. It's surprising, yes. So I tend to give a lot of jokes just to get comfortable.
My name is Ashley Ann. My online name is Ashley Carla on YouTube. Yeah, no, but it's not, Ashley Carla on YouTube and, on social platforms. I started off focusing mostly on Jamaican staycation type content, but I've kind of branched off more into more, as Anisha would call it, a Jamaican lifestyle type of channel and whatever comes with that. So that's me. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Just so you feel comfortable, because sometimes when you're doing it by yourself, you're like, everyone's looking. Yeah. What other questions?
What about safety?
In regards to
Their equipment, right?
I don't think I don't. Well, to me, I feel like no one really cares to steal a camera. That's just my opinion, especially a vlog camera. But I don't know. I vlogged downtown before. Yeah. No one can. Really?
I've never taken my camera in the market ever. And
I have
always
multiple.
I always see people vlog there though, but I think it's because they have so much people around.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I vlogged too. Every single day. After like the 4th day, I stopped caring. Like I was like, okay, let me just pull up my camera. So it just comes with time, and you'll get more confident. I would probably say like almost 4 years now.
It's too fine. It's too fine. Oh, lemonade. I got a different drink. I got a Aperol drink. Cocktail.
Everything now going.
So what was something?
The rain just came down and everybody just ran away. So I brought my food here.
Such a serious about your food. You're serious about her.
Yeah, 'cause I hardly touch it.
You don't wanna eat her.
I hardly touch it. It's not gonna go to waste.
Just don't make the rain wet you get come down too much for your thing. But they're moving the tables on the inside.
Okay. Our table has been moved there. Like they don't make a table for us yet.
No, that's what they're doing.
Okay, I'm gonna just wait out here because it's a lot. But it's so hot. I got a bag. My name on it.
YouTubers who are big YouTubers, aspiring to be a great YouTuber. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. Thank you for coming out. And it was a nice offer to get this grant to sponsor you today's gift. So I hope you enjoy the goodies that are in it. So thank you so much to get this grant for sponsoring our first YouTubers brunch. Here's to you. Wonderful.
Yay! Period.
Yeah. And lifestyle essentials. So if you look inside your Bible,
Got a personalized bag.
first of all, the paper on the bag which was autograph.
Ooh! Autographed.
Autographed by me. If you look in the back, you'll see a box of here which has tea things printed onto it. This was done for absolutely free. For the big tea things. Yeah, big up tea things.
What's there? They have an Instagram?
Yes, she does. She makes customized.
Ooh, teas. That excites me. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, we got a post on Instagram.
Jody, come out. Jody.
Wait, is our name on it? Stop it right now. Stop it right. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
What is that? Because I mean, YouTube and YouTube them here.
Yeah. Period.
Essentials. This I'm gonna ask you guys in my post just to give the guys.
Jody, can you send all the handles?
I will.
Thank you.
And also, these are some paper. Some soap. So these literally.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Rub it on the water and it dissolves. So these are perfect for your fur.
Oh, you look good, Fred.
That's you. So these are all from Lifestyle Essentials, and then this will you can get it from me. So,
That's cute. Thanks, Jojo.
of course, stay hydrated with your Curel. Try therapy. You're welcome.
Guys, come on. My name is on the candle. We love that. We love that. We love that.
Let me see if I can try my luck and get the phone on.
Love this.
This one.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl.
Doing good so far.
The music though.
The DJ came. So, you know, dancehall music starting, reggae music, so I'm happy now. The soca was
Thanks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight. And I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till like a chauffeur.